In this video, I'll show you how to view open interest in TradingView. The first thing you need to do is open your chart. Then, in the top bar, click on Indicators. In the search bar, type Open Interest and select the first result that appears under Technical Indicators. Click on it to add it to your chart. If you see an error message saying User-Defined Error, it means the indicator needs a perpetual contract to work. To fix this, change your chart symbol to a perpetual pair. For example, type ETH and select Ethereum perpetual contract. Once you switch to the perpetual chart, the open interest indicator will start working correctly. You'll now see the open interest data displayed below your chart. You can customize the indicator's appearance by clicking on its name and then clicking the settings or share icon. From there, you can adjust the colors, line style, and other display options based on your preference. And that's it. That's how you view and use the open interest indicator in TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more trading and charting tutorials.